Hello, and welcome to our deep dive into reconciliation in React, a pivotal concept that can significantly enhance the efficiency and performance of your web applications. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just getting started with React, understanding reconciliation is essential. In today's fast paced digital landscape, creating seamless and responsive user experiences is crucial, and that's exactly where reconciliation comes into play. We'll break down the theory, explore some practical examples, and see reconciliation in action so you can apply these insights to your own projects. Let's start by understanding the core concept of reconciliation in React. At its heart, reconciliation is the process by which React updates the DOM to match the structure of your React elements. This is a key part of React's virtual DOM mechanism. Imagine the virtual DOM as a simplified, in-memory version of the actual DOM elements. Whenever there's a change in a component's state or props, React creates a new virtual DOM tree. The magic happens when React efficiently reconciles this new virtual DOM with the previous one. This involves a sophisticated diffing algorithm that calculates the minimal number of changes needed to update the actual DOM. Just like a skilled artist making precise brushstrokes, React ensures that your application stays performant by only applying necessary updates. The reconciliation process involves four phases: element comparison, node update, component re-rendering, and finally, DOM update. These phases work together to ensure that your application remains responsive and efficient, even as it grows in complexity. In real-world applications, this means smoother user experiences, particularly in dynamic applications like social media platforms or real-time data dashboards, where quick and efficient UI updates are paramount. Now, let's take a look at a practical code example that demonstrates reconciliation in action. We're going to explore a simple React application that helps illustrate these concepts. In this example, we have a basic app structure where we can add items to a list. When you add a new item, React's reconciliation process is triggered to update the DOM efficiently. Let's focus on the src app.js file, where the core functionality resides. This file sets up a component with a list of items and a button to add new items. When the button is clicked, a new item is added to the state, and React, using reconciliation, updates the DOM to reflect this addition. The key takeaway here is how React uses unique keys for each list item to optimize updates. By understanding and utilizing these patterns, you can ensure your React applications remain performant even as they scale. Let's visualize how reconciliation works by walking through a demonstration. Imagine you're looking at a UI with a list of items. Initially, you see three items: learn React, understand reconciliation, and build awesome UIs. You then decide to add a fourth item. With the click of a button, a new item labeled New Item 4 appears in the list. This addition doesn't cause a complete re-render of the list. Instead, React efficiently updates the DOM to include only the new item. The reconciliation process ensures that these changes are applied swiftly and with minimal resource usage, providing a smooth and seamless user experience. This efficiency is particularly important as applications scale and the number of elements grows. In conclusion, understanding reconciliation in React is crucial for developing high-performance applications. By leveraging the power of the virtual DOM and the reconciliation process, you can ensure your applications remain responsive and efficient. As we've seen, the key lies in React's ability to apply minimal and precise updates to the DOM, even as your application grows and evolves. By mastering these concepts and applying them to your projects, you'll be better equipped to create dynamic, reliable, and user-friendly applications. Thank you for joining us in this exploration, and we encourage you to experiment with reconciliation in your projects to truly grasp its power and potential. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and continue building amazing React applications.